Wakunui ke akurahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Waikato tani whārau, he piko he tani whā, he piko he tani whā. A ka mihi au ki te wāhi ngaro, ka mihi ki te kuini Māori me tōna whānau. Ka mihi ki te whare me te whenua, tēnā kōrua. Ka mihi ki te hunga mate, haere atu rā. Ka mihi ki te hunga ora, ti hei mauri ora ki a tātou. Ko taupiri te maunga, ko wakato te awa, ko tainui te waka, ko kirikiri roa te marae, ko Ngāti Wairere te mana whenua, ko Potatau te tangata, ko Stefan Temihai always tōku ingoa, tēnei te mihi ki a koutou katoa. Nau mai hara mai. Nau mai hara mai ki te korotua roa nā tai tamatāne o kirikiri roa. He rā tāhua a tēnei. School's out, we got kirikiri roa students just making their way to the front field at Hamilton Boys High School, and we're in for a treat today at Te Whānau. Now, just to get to our team list, and let's have a look at Tauranga. And at number 1 for the front row, it's Taikato Smith. At number 2, we have Bell. At 3, to round off the front row, is Bidwa. The captain at number 4 today, Charlton. And at 5, we have Saliki Koro. At 6, Bidwa. And at 7, Hola. And rounding out the loose forwards is Vickers at number 8. At 9 today, we have Viren. And at first 5, Curtis. At 11, Rai Portini. At 12, Viren. At 13, Te Maipi. At 14, on the wing is Theron. And then at 15, we have McCoy. On the bench today, we have Sop at 16. We have Engelbruck at 17. Keeney at 18. At number 19 is Simeon. At 20, Laidlaw. 21, Saua. And at 22, Tai Kato Smith. So a strong lineup here for Tauranga Moana today at Te Whānau. And on the other side, Kirikiri Roa at number 1, Fafita. 2, we have Hammond. 3, Kawai. 4, Bushel. 5, Broomhall. At 6, Mills. And the captain today at open side is Foot. Number 8, Edwards. And number 9, Nordstrom. First 5 today, Botherway. At 11, Deha Elliott. Second 5 is Parai. 13, Marshall Moore. At 14, Hunter. And 15 is Ward. And just on the interchange bench, at 16, we have Vaka. At 17, Mātangi. 18, Puamo. 19, Hyatt. At number 20 today, Cole. 21, Tuapula. And at 22, Kara. So a strong interchange bench here for Kirikiri Roa today at Te Whānau. And again, it's looking like pristine conditions. It's dry. There isn't much wind. I was down there earlier, and it's really starting to warm up now after a frosty morning in the Waikato. And just some facts around both sides, and we'll start with Kirikiri Roa. And their sort of top 4 dominance started, or their last national title, in fact, 2024 against Nelson College, where they won the top 4 competition 27-17. They've played 420 matches since 2003, racking up 358 wins, so a pretty strong winning percentage for Kirikiri Roa. And on the other side, Tauranga Moana, they've had success as well. In fact, in 2024, they had a Super 8 title where they beat Kirikiri Roa comfortably 37-0. So Tauranga, they'll be looking to draw back on sort of some of those historical wins and really try and fight to keep themselves in the Super 8 competition, because this is a very important game for both sides. Kirikiri Roa, in fact, they had a good win last week against Ahuriri. And the score was Whātekau ki te Ruatakau MΑORI. And that, in fact, put Kirikiriroa clear on first place with 18 points. So Tauranga haven't had the greatest start this year. They normally come out quite strong, and they need a strong performance today to keep their season alive, really. So we're moments away here, Te Whānau, from kickoff. As we draw closer to what I imagine both teams will haka. Kirikiriroa with their rendition of Waikato Tani Whārau. And we've had some great rugby fixtures already this morning, where we saw the under 14s, under 15s and second 15s all play out on the backfield in Kirikiriroa. And so all the students will be out to watch and enjoy te kēmu I tēnei rā. And Tauranga boys, they've had several All Blacks of their own, including Sam Kane, Daniel Braid, a couple of great Lucies there, Te Whānau. And Kirikiriroa have a few All Blacks of their own, the likes of Josh Lord and new debutant Josh Morby. And his brother Cam Morby is the first 15 coach of Kirikiriroa. The head coach for Tauranga Moana, Aiden Kuka. As we can see, Tauranga making their way onto the field now. Plenty of talent in this Tauranga side, and several of their players with caps. Always a big, dominant, physical side is Tauranga. And despite having a slow start to the season, they can beat anyone on their day. So Kirikiriroa, they're about to make their way out onto the field, and we'll see both kura haka before kickoff.
Everybody up, everybody up. Everybody up over there as well.
Here we go. Kirikiriroa making their way. We can hear the factory, a supporters group from Kirikiriroa getting their chance going. You'll hear them all game, e te whānau. And Tauranga approach halfway, lay down their caps, a tradition. And really looking forward to this haka battle to start our game. Five caps of their own for Kirikiriroa. Lots of experience there as well. As Tauranga set a portal whita, and they're going to get us underway. Moat te wihi. Awesome haka from both sides as we approach ever so closer to te timatango o tēnei kēmu. Tauranga Boys, their school motto, I pick up the work and I carry it through. A traditional Greek themed motto there from Tauranga Moana. Also a grade 7 school is Tauranga with All Black Sevens and Olympian Leroy Carter. Multiple dual athletes. Kirikiriro on the other side. Rugby pedigree like Sevu Reese, Quinn Tupaia. So, really looking forward to seeing who our future stars are in this Kemu e te whānau. As the referee points towards the sideline, just checking to make sure that everyone's ready for kickoff. As Kirikiriroa, they overshoot it here and the ball hits the ground, and it's a great pick up there from Hunter. But unfortunately for Kirikiriroa, they've fumbled the ball there. Kawai, I believe. And Tauranga now have possession. McCoy, he was able to link up out wide, and that's a strong carry. Just going to work here, Tauranga, a bit of a backdoor play, spreading it wide and an offload. He didn't need to offload there. And Kirikiriroa are able to get back possession. It's a messy start here at te whānau. Referee just letting the ball play on, getting some continuity. Good tackle there from Fafita. Tauranga now spreading the ball. That's a great run there. Dished on nicely by McCoy. As we see Viren links up with his forward pack. The captain Charlton with another carry early. Just boarding phases now, Tauranga. They don't need to force the offload. But the ball hits the ground, a sloppy pass, but picked up nicely there from the winger for Tauranga. Kirikiriroa just trying to build some line speed. And they go out the back. Nice starting run here from McCoy. Out on the edge now, Tauranga. Viren. E pahi ana ia Kitana Tima, another ruck. Kirikiriroa counter ruck. But nice work there from Viren just to continue play now. The ref has called a ruck, so no hands there for Kirikiriroa. More phases here, but that's great defense from Parai, I believe. In fact, that's Foot, the captain. More phases, but they're not really gaining much territory here. But it's nice, patient play here from Tauranga. And that's a nice clean out there from Bushel, I believe. He just cleaned that ruck and the ball is there now for Kirikiriroa. Nordstrom finds his backs. Marshall Moore now linking up with his outside. Hunter with a good run. He had a strong game against Ahuriri last week. But it's a counter ruck here from Tauranga and the referee is just letting the game flow. So more phases here as we go tick for tack. A good pick and go here from the forwards from Tauranga Moana. Just a break and play finally here for Tauranga. He's in space here. A nice pop pass off the ground. He's given it. But it's a mistake here now for Tauranga and Parai's trying to take him out. Paikato cleaned up, but the referee says knock on. Kirikiri also will be an attacking scrum 7 metres out for Tauranga Moana. Kakari here for Tauranga. They put some nice phases there and we're finally able to break the defensive line of Kirikiriroa. It's a big scrum and a big moment. You can hear the defense call now from the factory. Kirikiriroa, they have a supporters group. Referee though doesn't like what he's seen at scrum time, so he's going to call a reset here. Free kick here now. Going early is Kirikiriroa also. We're going to see Veroni taps the ball. It goes backwards. And they're moving backwards here, Tauranga. And then a big cutout pass there from Veron. Was able to find guys on his outside. Play continues here for Tauranga. Veron goes back down the blind side. Hauler now with a tip pass. Carry here from Tauranga. They just need to be patient and build into their phases. A strong defense there from Hammond and Fifita. A little grubber kick, but it's offside there. Kirikiriroa just need to watch their discipline. So Tauranga, they're going to find touch. They look to go to their more. Great opportunity now here for Tauranga. Didn't make much distance on the kick, but it's stolen here from Kirikiriroa at Te Rārangi. So we're going to see Parai now spread possession out to Marshall Moore. He makes a good break here. He's out in the open. He's gone inside. Kicked back onto the wing and it's just trickled out there for Hunter. So a good counter-attack opportunity there from Kirikiriroa to make their way all the way into Tauranga's half. And they'll be disappointed with that execution. Line out time a bit scrappy here. Phases here. Kirikiriroa there on the front foot. They're pushing nicely and there's numbers out wide here. Parai cut out pass here. And it's going to be a try to Ward. Pairo atu te rapiro. Kirikiriroa, nice counter-attack opportunity. Made their way down and then disrupted the line-out. And then Pairo with a nice cut-out pass there to Ward. And he was able to dot into the corner, so Rima ki te kore. Kirikiriroa with the advantage. By the way, now lines this up. It's not an easy kick. Nudges it well, and it's over. So whitu ki te kore, advantage to Kirikiriroa. As Tauranga, they kick promptly, but it's contested there from Tauranga, and they're able to counter-attack or counter-ruck and steal the ball, so good work there. Veron now just working his way. He's being bowled over by the disruptive forwards from Kirikiriroa. Nice backdoor pass there from Charlton, but they're going backwards again, Tauranga. Just need to tidy up their attack here. The captain, he's doing all the work here, Charlton. And a box kick here for Tauranga to compete in the air, but that's taken nicely there for Kirikiriroa. Ward, he plays halfback, and by the way, he sees some space in the corner. But it's nicely tidied up there from Tauranga, so they're going to take a run here through their number 15. McCoy, he's had a good start to the game. Play continues. Edge ruck now for Tauranga as Kirikiriroa tries to steal the ball, but more phases here, Tauranga. More position here, Tauranga. Just need to be patient, not get isolated. Good tidy work there. Backdoor pass there from Charlton again. Good work, Veroni. Tries to find space out wide. And a nice pass there from Siliki Koro. Forwards go to work again for Tauranga. The referee has his hand out, so it's a penalty advantage, Tauranga. Sneaky pick and go there from the forward pack. We see Bidwa with a nice carry. Vickers, he wants to go to work. Charlton just going backwards there, the captain. And Veron, he decides to go to his backs with a little grubber kick through. That's no advantage, so we'll see. Tauranga with a penalty. Just offside again there, Kirikiriroa. Need to be a bit more disciplined on their defensive line. Interested to see what Tauranga want to do here. Looks like they might take the 3 points. Tauranga, can they get some points early, and it's over there. Good work there for Tauranga. So Toru Piro for Tauranga ki te whitu Kirikiriroa. And by the way, he's going to get us back underway. He doesn't like the ball, so he kicks it towards the sideline. We get a restart here from Kirikiriroa. It's nice and high, but it's taken nicely there from the number 14 there, Theron. Counter-rack here for Kirikiriroa. And they're successful, so more possession for them. We see Nordstrom goes to work, gets his 4-pack involved. Fafita with a good carry there, bumps off the number 7 from Tauranga. By the way, links up with Parai. Marshall Moore just needs to straighten up. Oh, that's a strong carry there from Edwards, I believe. But the referee's got his arm out. That's not releasing the ball carrier, Tauranga. And so it's going to be a good chance for Kirikiriroa to go to the Rārangi. Great maul opportunity here for Kirikiriroa. And Bushell, he is a great line-out target. Very tall lock. Is Moose. It's going to be Moose. Up in the air, they come down here. Taking it back there. They just want to tidy that up, Kirikiriroa. They're able to. It's good. Pick and go. Oh, it's off to the blind side, but it's just thrown into touch there. So it will be a Rārangi here for Tauranga Moana. And that's another mistake there from Tauranga, unfortunately, so it will be a free kick. Nordstrom, he's going to tap this. Bit of a trick play here, but referee calls it back. Must have taken it off the mark there, and so it will be a kakari for Tauranga. Good scrum there from Tauranga, but Kirikiriroa counter. They put a lot of pressure on there and they had to force to offload that. Did well there, did Tauranga. And they found touch, so it will be a rārangi for Kirikiriroa. Rana rua te kaumārua. Hammond to throw for Kirikiriroa. Fake the front there, but it's untidy there from Kirikiriroa. Not quite able to rein that in was Broomhall, so Tauranga exit, kick it into space here, the ball bounces. Counter attack opportunity. By the way, good run there, doesn't want to get isolated. Ball hits the ground here for Kirikiriroa. Oh, they've gone off their feet as well. It's a knock on, in fact, so Tauranga will get the kakari. Midfield scrum opportunity here for Tauranga. Great attacking opportunity. Kirikiriroa putting more pressure on the scrum, but Tauranga are able to win it. They go down the left-hand side there. And that's a good carry there for Tauranga. Down the blind side now, and a nice starting run through their wingers. Link play here, nice backdoor pass here for Tauranga. There's no space out wide, they've just closed it down on the edge there. So we see Viren go back to the blind side, and another, that's a good run from the captain there, and a flick pass. Flirting with the sideline, so they want to be careful here, do Tauranga. Tip pass there, and Saliki Koro was driven backwards. Need to go forward here, Tauranga, and they do that well through their backs. Just going the same way, trying to find some space here. Another carry here from Charlton. He's done a lot of work and he's able to get the ball through an offload. More faces here for Tauranga, and a cut-out pass here. Good run from Hauler. Just playing on the edge there as the forward. Another carry there from Saliki Koro. Vera now off through his forwards, and a backdoor pass here to their backs. Bell just cleaning up at ruck time. Lots of phases here for Tauranga, but someone's got to come up with something creative, because the Kirikiriroa are showing great defense here. More good work here from Kirikiriroa, just being a pain at ruck time. But there's some space now there for Tauranga. Good run from Rai Portene. Some good line speed from Kirikiriroa. But the referee, he's got his arm out now. They've been offside multiple times, have Kirikiriroa, so they just need to rectify and get their timing right in terms of their line speed. Vera now back through some systems and no advantage there. So the referee's had enough. He's going to talk to the Kirikiriroa captain about just guys being offside and them just needed to tidy up their discipline. Yes, it is an offside call there from the referee. And Tauranga want a scrum, so kakari here for Tauranga Moana. Referee calls set. But it's a penalty. Tauranga just dropping straight down there. And Kirikiriroa will be pleased with that call. By the way, he's going to try and find touch here. That's a great nudge there from by the way. So, Rarangi here for Kirikiriroa. Hammond to throw. And that's tidy work there for Kirikiriroa. So here's a big carry. One of their strengths here are their ball carries for Kirikiriroa. It's a tough carry there for Broomhall. Was able to pop the pass off the ground. Nordstrom goes to his forwards, driven backwards there though. And that's not good news there for Kirikiriroa. That might be Hammond. Mills is, it's in fact Mills, the number 6. Might be an early substitution here, forced on Kirikiriroa. But it's been a good start to this Kemu. Tauranga Moana, they've had plenty of possession. I'd say they're winning the possession battle. But just not able to find any space as Kirikiriroa. They've been rushing up off the defensive line and just causing havoc. Despite lacking discipline and finding themselves caught offside by the referee. Looks like Mills will stay on. And it will be a Tauranga feed for the Kakari here at Te Whānau. Just pushing 25 minutes into the first half. Good scrum there for Tauranga, so they're going to find some space and just trying to offload the ball there, but able to maintain position. More backdoor passes here for Tauranga. Might have got himself isolated and Edwards is trying to fight for position, but the referee blows his whistle and says off the feet, so just more discipline issues here for Kirikiriroa. Just want to tidy that up. Good nudge there from Tauranga, so they will get that Arangi. And they're looking to go quick as well. Bit of a fake. That's a good throw. Good phases here and a more from Tauranga. You can see Bell at the back there with possession. Fafita's trying to fold him in. But they've still got it there. Through Bell. They're making good yards here, Tauranga. But it does collapse. And so they're going to have to use it now. Good carry there through the 13, I believe. Te Maipi. The number 5, Saliki Koro. But it's stolen at the ruck. Great counter-rucking from Kirikiriroa. And by the way, sends the pull down towards the sideline. And it's a great touch finder. So that's good. work there from Kirikiriroa to get out of trouble. Really resilient on defense have been Kirikiriroa. As Tauranga, they go to the Rarangi time and they throw to the back through their captain, but looks like the ball spilled out and hit the ground, but it's continued possession here, so good carry there from Te Maipi again. Good line speed from Kirikiriroa captain Foot. Oh, that's a good run there from Tauranga. More phases here. They might look to continue to build phases. Charlton, the captain. Another tough carry from him. Good work from Tauranga there through the number 14. They're on. Backdoor passes, Charlton just in the way there, but they're able to find the pass was Curtis. Veron goes towards the blind side. Te Maipi again with another carry. Just slowly getting some territory here is Tauranga. Going through their forwards now, just trying to speed it up is Veron. Tauranga working the ball towards the edge. A good flip pass there now. They're on now. Good run. Now we're getting over the advantage line. Is Tauranga. The referee has his arm out, so we might even see a yellow card here, because if they're offside, we did see the referee give a warning to the captain, and he has gone to his pocket. So just discipline is an issue here for Kirikiriroa. Offside again. And they just need to adapt to the referee. The captain here, Charlton, he's told the ref what his team wants. They're one man down now, so how will Tauranga use this advantage? And they are going to find touch about te kau mita ki te piro ki te Rarangi. Tauranga now, can they work something through there more, or strike play? Again, it's just sloppy there from Tauranga, but they are able to get the position. Good run there from Vickers. The number 1, Toi Kato. Look to carry, but they've gone the other way now, and they've lost possession. Referee says not rolling away. Tauranga, they just need to be patient. Good work there from Charlton, just slowing it down, going back to the more. They do need to fix their Rarangi. See Bell now with the ball. He's going to want to nail his throw. Fake the front through Saliki Koro. And they are able to go to the more now. Tauranga. Bell, he has the position. They are moving forward. They're trying to spin it around here. Kirikiriroa, but the ball's hit the ground. So just a good, strong carry there through the number 13. Te Maipi. He's 1 metre out. Tauranga. Getting closer here. Now they're going to work their pick and goes. It's held up, so good defensive work there. Again from Kirikiriroa, despite being 1 down. Able to just get underneath the ball. And Kirikiriroa, they'll be desperate to get to half time. Close out the game. And by the way, he kicks us. Underway again, another run here through the number 5. So Liki Koro just sort of slipped there but got up and back to his feet. So good carry there from the Tauranga lock. Veron now. Out the back. Tauranga's back's just linking up. Nice flick past Bell now. Down it. Bell's free. Bumps off Dihalia but loses position. And that's going to be a kakari now. For Kirikiriroa, they're able to just sustain the pressure and force mistakes from Tauranga. Referee just talking to Tom Foot, the HBHS captain. Looks like we might have an early substitution here. Is Kawai. As it was carded, I believe, and we have Mitch Matangi at 17 in the front row. Nordstrom to feed for Kirikiriroa at the kakari. A nice hit there. And he's gone off the back here, has Edwards. But the referee's free there, Edwards, but the referee's caught him back for not releasing the ball. I think that was the right call. He was tackled and then he just got up. Continued running, so another ararangi here for Tauranga. Bell to throw for Tauranga Moana. Can they capitalise on the lack of discipline from Kirikiriroa? A big carry here for Tauranga through their number 3, Bidwa. Still with position here. Veron pops it off to his forwards. A pick and go run here for Tauranga. Another carry here, Tauranga getting close, only 2 metres out. The referee has his hand up. Advantage to Tauranga. It's got up the back here for their backs. And that could be a yellow card for knocking the ball down, but it's a penalty try and a yellow card. It was a knockdown penalty try for Kirikiriroa, so there's no conversion there to whānau either. So Tauranga now, I believe, 7-point try for Tauranga. So they take the lead just before half time. There's only a few minutes or moments to go before half time. Te kau ki te whitu piro, Tauranga Moana in the lead. They've got possession here. Do Tauranga. And they're just going to look to find touch. Is that half time, or it was touch there from Kirikiriroa? No, in fact, it's Kirikiriroa possession, not touch. So, great attacking opportunity here for Kirikiriroa. Overthrown there. Ball hits the ground. Bushels over the ball. That could be a penalty, but sorry, it was Botherway. But the referee lets it continue. Charlton with the carry. They're going to look to exit now. And it's a spiral. But play continues here, by the way. With the ball, Hunter now in open space. Good one there from Hunter. Kirikiriroa with some needed possession. Nordstrom goes the same way. By the way, links up with Parai. Just boarding phases, but the referee blows his whistle. Kirikiriroa holding on there. So that's great. Counter-rucking there from Tauranga. And they're going to look to finish the half strong. They've been reaping the rewards of lots of possession here, Tauranga. They're quick to the line out as well. But it's a penalty because it's offside there. So Kirikiriroa take the quick tap. They see Zaya Edwards with an offload here. They've got numbers here. Great one here from Diha Elliott. Can he stay in? Kirikiriroa now with space. Game's opened up, a miss pass there. Hunter steps inside. That's a good carry there from Hunter. Play continues here through Hammond. Drawn pass out to Diha Elliott. Kirikiriroa again, a big carry through their forwards. Nordstrom tried to link up with Matangi, but he dropped the ball, but there's penalty because Tauranga were offside. So a chance here for Kirikiriroa to kick the penalty and go to the draw. Or go to the halftime, sorry. With the games locked up at 10 apiece. By the way, we'll kick. This should close out the first half, Etefano. And that is the end of the first half. So it is te kau ki te kau. It is a draw here, Etefano, at half time. And we will see you after our short break. Ngā mihi nui.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whai take aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough time. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Tefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Anō mai hara mai anō e te whānau. Nā ki te kura tōroa o nā taitamatane o Kirikiriroa. We have a game on our hands here, te whānau. It is 10 apiece. Kirikiriroa with the early try. And then Tauranga were able to fight their way back, and through ill discipline, Kirikiriroa had 2 players yellow carded in the first half. There was a penalty try for Tauranga, and then despite the 10-7 lead for Tauranga, Kirikiriroa were able to get 3 points back of their own right at the end of the first half. So we do have a battle on our hands. And great rivalries between both Tauranga and Kirikiriroa. Lots to play here for both schools. Kirikiriroa would love a home Super 8 final. As I mentioned at the start, Tauranga though, been able to produce some results against Kirikiriroa, including the 2024 Super 8 Grand Final. But Kirikiriroa, they got the last laugh, obviously, through their top 4 national final that same year. I te tau rua mano roa te kau mā rima, Kirikiriroa were able to beat Tauranga te kau mā whitu ki te whitu. As we can see, students from Kirikiriroa, they're getting excited down there, te whānau. As we get the second half underway. Just need to watch their discipline do, Kirikiriroa. Tauranga now spreading the ball wide. That's good work there from Tauranga. There might be, I believe it is, with a strong carry. Vera now finds his forwards in. Puamo just try to bring some line speed, but again the hands out from the referee, just losing their heads a little bit here, Kirikiriroa. As the number 12 from Tauranga, that's a good run there from Veron. Same way here for Tauranga, they have advantage. What can they make of this possession? Nice backdoor pass there. Ball still alive here for Tauranga, but the referee says no advantage. So early opportunity here for Tauranga, as the referee says tackled without the ball. That's on Puamo, I believe. Curtis now just looking to find touch. Tauranga, they want to go to Rārangi time. Can they find the mark here, Tauranga? Referee blows his whistle. It looks like a free kick for Kirikiriroa. Potentially just taking too much time. And that's a big carry here for Kirikiriroa. Nordstrom now finding Botherway. Linking up through Parai. Big cutout pass there. Nice tidy ruck work here for Kirikiriroa. Still position here for Kirikiriroa. Mills now breaks the first tackle, gives it offload to no one. Didn't need to force that pass, and the referee might want to stop play because there's a player down injured. But he does let it continue. Nordstrom now. Kawai. Good clean up at the ruck from Puamo, and now Kirikiriroa able to get some position here. Hunter throws a dummy, nice inside ball here to Parai. Parai's in space, can he link up? He does find Nordstrom, he goes back inside to Parai. Parai still going. Good cover tackle from Tauranga, and foot unfortunately pop past to Tauranga player retreating. And the referee lets that play continue now. Curtis looks to find touch, but he's kicked it straight down to Diha Elliott. And he throws possession all the way to the other side. Marshall Moore beats the first tackle. Stepping, weaving. Kawai tidies up, and Puamo with a good carry. Good run here from Nordstrom. He fakes it. He's got Botherway inside, but he doesn't need him. It's a great try there from Nordstrom, the number 9 for Kirikiriroa. Just breaks open Tauranga defensive line. No A defender there at the ruck, and so he just sniped and carried all the way to the try line. So great work from the number 9 Nordstrom. As Kirikiriroa take the lead now. Te kau mārima ki te kau. Botherway he's going to line this conversion up. It's almost straight out in front. Kicks it well, and that's another Ruapiro for Kirikiriroa. So it's te kau mā whitu ki te kau. Kirikiriroa, great start to the second half, and their coach Cam Morby will be pleased with that effort there, especially from his number 9 Nordstrom. As Tauranga get us back underway, and that's a monster tackle there from Saliki Koro, but the referees called the penalty, and a head high there from Saliki Koro. So Kirikiriroa going to find touch, as we can hear the factory get into their haka. Line out one there from Kirikiriroa. It's a big run here. They've got players inside. The captain there, foot I believe. Carries on though with the cone Mārua. Nordstrom, nice early pull here for Fita. Doesn't want to get isolated. The ball spills out there. And it's sloppy there from Kirikiriroa. Just got a little bit isolated and not able to secure possession. And we're going to see Viren just find Curtis, who looks to exit and find touch, and it's a good exit there from Tauranga. So we'll be at Arangi to Kirikiriroa. Both at Arangi from both sides are just a bit scrappy. Need to tidy up their errors. Nice tidy work there from Kirikiriroa. So they're going to go to their strong ball carriers here through Edwards. Looks like Mateo Cole's on at number 20 for Kirikiriroa. Just a knock on there, so a little bit untidy. New halfback here for Kirikiriroa. There's Cole. Will play halfback. Kakari here for Tauranga Moana. It's messy here. And it's a knock on there, so good work from Kirikiriroa. Just putting lots of pressure on Tauranga to force an error. And they've got a great attacking opportunity in midfield scrum. Referee calls set for Kirikiriroa. Cole with the feed. He's off early. Gives a nice pull here too, by the way. Parai with the inside step. Breaks the tackle of the number 11 from Tauranga Raipōtene. But it's nicely stolen there from Tauranga. And so just a counter-attack opportunity. They kick and find space. Referee says that's advantage over. And play will continue here for Kirikiriroa. Big carry here from Puamo. Backdoor passes here. Parai linking up nicely with Hunter. Oh yes, good work there from Hunter with that pop pass inside. Cole now. Quick ball for Kawai, I believe. More possession here for Kirikiriroa. Nice carry here from Kirikiriroa. They're just building phases here. They switch it back to the other side now. Puamo with another carry. Saliki Koro with the tackle. He's working hard defensively. Good run here from... By the way, he's gone inside to Cole. And a pass here, offload for Mills. Cole now just trying to find someone who's free. A nice cut out pass there. Hunter, can he find the line? Yes. It's a try for Kirikiriroa and the finish there from Hunter. Was impeccable, and you can see the ball just on the line. Almost the NRL try style of finish there. Flirting with the touchline, but able to get the ball down before he went out. So That's another Rima Piro for Kirikiriroa roa te kau MΑORI ki te kau. And a good second half start here for Kirikiriroa. By the way, he lines this up right on the sideline. It's not an easy kick. Good strike though. But it is wide, so the score remains. Roa te kau MAORI ki te kau. Kirikiriroa with advantage. Te kau mā toru miniti. I roto I te hawhi tuarua. We're going to see Tauranga get us back on the way through Curtis. And they go high here, do Tauranga, but just sloppy there from Kirikiriroa, but it is going to be a knock on. So Kakari now for Kirikiriroa. And we might see some more changes coming in for both sides. We already see Mātangi on for Kawai, along with Cole, the number 9 for Kirikiriroa. Referee just setting this kakari up nicely. He blows his whistle, just another stoppage in play here. Kirikiriroa, they won't be in any rush. Tauranga Moana, they've shown that they can claw their way back into the game after being down at half time and then going into the half-time break with a draw. As we see a nice backdoor pass there through Parai. Hunter, the try scorer, cuts inside. Ko off the by the way, inside pass there. Nice variation here for Kirikiriroa. Puamo, he's a strong ball carrier. He's taken the ground. They go same way. And a nice inside pass here. Isolated though is Kirikiriroa, and the referee calls. That is such great work from the number 16, I believe, from Tauranga. That's super. And that's a great touch finder there from Curtis, the number 10 from Tauranga. They are going to have Ararangi now, looking closer to the rua te kau MAORI. They've rushed their lineouts of Tauranga. They don't want to give Kirikiriroa any time to set themselves defensively. And it's taken in nicely there from Saliki Koro. Untidy though. Are they able to tidy this up? No, the ball's gone down, but the referee says Kirikiriroa's collapsed that. Tauranga, they've put on their replacement halfback as well through Laidlaw. So he just fumbles it at the ruck and there's no advantage. So more possession for Tauranga. They need a score to get themselves back in the game, and so Curtis is going to find touch and go back to Arangi. Good line out here from Tauranga. Charlton, the captain, takes it in. Going backwards though, Tauranga, so just need to be careful here, Tauranga. And there's no advantage there. So great defensive work from Kirikiriroa. And it's going to be a kakari for the Maroon and Blacks. How can Tauranga respond? They'll want to put some pressure on this kakari. It's gone down though, says the referee. So kakari anō ki te tima o Kirikiriroa. Hear the factory in the background. Just get the band going, getting their supporters involved. Big scrum here from Tauranga. And it is a penalty for Tauranga. Standing up, going backwards. Kirikiriroa, so they might want to go back to another kakari. No, they're going to look to tap the ball. And it's taken off the mark. Or potentially tapped wrong. Not sure what the referee's saying. You can't tap the ball with your foot. Kaore mohi te whānau. I'm struggling to figure that one out. But I believe it's you can't tap the ball with your foot on top of the portal. As referee tried to show the captain of Tauranga. And so Kirikiriroa just got off the hook there. I know they were penalised for doing the same thing earlier on in the game. So the referee is consistent. As Cole goes back towards the blind side, it's a cheeky play here for Diha Elliott. They're going to look to exit here, Kirikiriroa. And that's a good kick from Botherway. And he's able to find touch. And so great exit work here from Kirikiriroa. Giving themselves some breathing room. Tauranga with a good line out and a strong carry there through their number 11. Arai Pōtene, the captain Charlton, another carry. He's had a great game. Not rolling away here. Referee might get his hand out. Let's play continue. As a kick there from McCoy, and he's kicked it out on the full. So that could be a costly mistake from Tauranga. So we'll be a rārangi for Kirikiriroa. They look to go to the front. Now they're gone back here, Kirikiriroa. And it's an overthrow, so untidy work here for Kirikiriroa. Stolen there. Oh, it's a pick and go there from the number 19. Simeon, what a great run there through the replacement. They're linking up nicely here, and a nice little dinky kick there through McCoy, but tied it up nicely. From Kirikiri, I believe that might be Tuapola. Drop out restart here for Kirikiri. By the way, I'm picking he's going to go deep. He does, but the replacement 21 fires the possession out to Saliki Koro, and he gets monstered. From Puamo, a counter ruck here. From Kirikiri Roa, but Tauranga tidy it up nicely. Laidlaw now, off to McCoy. Good run here from Viren. Gets chopped nicely there in the tackle from Fafita, the number prop. He's been working hard. Laidlaw again. Out to Curtis, and he's linked up with his outside backs. Another run from Charlton. The captain's gone to work. They do it blindside switch play here. Do Tauranga. It's on here for them. Through their number 14. He makes a darting run. Pops the ball inside for the number 20. Tauranga now on the front foot. More position, but it looks like it's Tauranga. Their meters from Te Piro. Another pick and go here. Just being patient here, our Tauranga. And they decide to swing it through their backs. It's a knock on there from Tauranga. So that's good defensive pressure from Kirikiri Roa. Te kaumeneti ki te mutunga o tēnei kemu. Kakari here for Kirikiri Roa. Good kakari here for Kirikiri Roa. Numbers out on the edge here. Nice cut out pass there. Diha Alia with the chip inside. Not a bad option. But the ball does hit the ground, and it's a counter attack opportunity here for McCoy. Big tackle there from Edwards though. Drives him back, but Tauranga now holding phases here. What a run here from Tauranga. And it's in the corner there. Through the 15, McCoy. Brilliant try there from Tauranga Moana. Just able to find space on the blind side. And McCoy just makes a dazzling run into the corner and scores for Tauranga. Unfortunately, an injury there for Tauranga. But it's a good strike there. But unable to convert, so Roa te kaumā roa ki te kaumā rima. Restart here for Kirikiriroa, by the way. Nice work from Saliki Koro. Tips the ball back. That's a big tackle there from Pormo. They just want to exit here, do Tauranga. They're going to the boxy through the replacement Laidlaw. And it's a good kick now. Edwards with a good carry here. With a good offload. And it's a great run here through the outside backs here now. Diha Alia just gets chopped in the corner and passes the ball back inside. It did go forward. Referee lets it continue. Tauranga with possession. They look to exit themselves in. That's a good win there territory-wise for Kirikiriroa. They're going to have a rārangi out on the Ruatako Mārua. Kirikiriroa, they just need to get their line out right as we do see the replacement 16 for Kirikiriroa, Vaka. Play continues, sloppy though, but they have lost possession there in the carry have Kirikiriroa, so it will be a kakari for Tauranga. Penalty here from the referee. It's just collapsing their walls. Kirikiriroa at the kakari. And Tauranga able to find touch through Curtis. There will be more possession, just coming to the closing stages of this game. Both the lineouts have been messy today. And Fafita, I believe that is able to get position. Cole goes out back. Strike opportunity here. Good step inside there from Tuapula. He's looking electric off the bench here for Kirikiriroa. By the way, going through his forwards now. Edwards with another carry. Cole off the bother way, cut out pass here. Hunter, he just needs to stay in. Cole, more position here for Kirikiriroa. But another mistake from Kirikiriroa, and it's going to be possession to Tauranga. Referee just blows time off on the clock. More substitutes being made for both teams. We can see Vaka on now for Kirikiriroa, along with the number 21 for Kirikiriroa, Patience to Apollo. And Tauranga, they've made changes of their own through Simeon. The number 20, the replacement halfback, Laidlaw. Roa te kaumā, ki te kaumā, rima. Kiri roa now. With the lead, so how can Tauranga respond?
That's why I'm not offering to do the ball anymore.
Laidlaw to feed for Tauranga. Big scrum here from Kirikiriroa, but nice work from Laidlaw to get the ball out to their number 15. The try scorer, he loses position in the contact, and it's counter-attack here. Through Parai. Kirikiriroa. Edwards. With another carry. Cole, nice work. Backdoor pass from Puamo. Nice switch play here. Puamo. He's very close here. Is Puamo. Kirikiriroa just need to be patient. Good ball movement, and that's Hunter in the corner for Kirikiriroa. Brilliant phases there from Kirikiriroa. Just chipped away and Rabbit identified the space out wide. And that's another great try for the number 14 Hunter. He's had a real good, solid performances in his last few games for Kirikiriroa out on the wing. And we're going to see Botherway line this up to stretch the lead even further. Not much time there to go now. It's a great kick though from Botherway. Referee looks at his watch. Roa ki te kau, ki te iwa, ki te kau mā rima. Knock on at the restart. It's just picked up nicely there from Tauranga. Their number 11, Rai Porten, he's been trying hard all game. And it's all on here, Tefano, if Tauranga can make something out of this. A good run here from their 14. They're on. The number 8 for Tauranga now, Vickers. Off his feet there at the ruck. We're Kirikiriroa. Just finding touch now, Curtis. Rarangi for Tauranga Moana. They just need to speed up the game here. Good carry off the line out here from Tauranga. And they're going to go to their pick and go phases. Very close now, Tauranga. And that's a try there. So good response there for Tauranga. I believe it might have been Keeney. I believe there might be game over at Tefano. Good response there from Tauranga. And they do get the conversion, but it's a little too late for Tauranga as Kirikiri Roa. Congratulations to them. They get the win. Roa te kau mā iwa ki te roa te kau mā roa. So great performance there from Kirikiri Roa. They'll remain top of the Super 8 ladder for Roa mano roa te kau mā ono namahi nui ki a koutou katoa me o Tauranga me o Karu. I tēnei rā, ko Stefan Temihai West tōku ingoa. Ka kite anō e te whānu. Hope you have a great afternoon.